Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Miss Event Planner, a channel dedicated to inspiring the party planner in you and those who wish to make it their career. Welcome back. I hope you guys are following me over from my story time video about how I lost $1,500 from one client making one very avoidable mistake. If so, today I'm going to be showing you guys my top tips on how not to recreate the situation that I explained in that video. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to click here in the iCard, or there's going to be a description box link below. So we're on the way to the reception and we need to decorate. Okay. Sick. That's the setup.
So right now you guys, I'm on my way to an event.
Everybody say, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So, how can you guys not make the same mistake that I did? Number one is to construct a firm set of business policies. A firm set. That means you do not waver from those business policies. Now, you want these business policies to be reiterated on all sorts of your communication. That means it should be listed on your website. It means it should be listed when you submit your party quote. That means it should be listed in your contract, and it should be reminded to them because clients tend to forget things like that. Number two, require payment with no exceptions to reserve a party date or your services. No exceptions. This is proof right here why there are no exceptions, because you never know who is going to book with you. A promise is not going to pay your bills, so no exceptions. Require payment to book services, and do not do any work for a client until they have submitted their deposit, because you are not hired yet. Number three, don't feel guilty or fooled by client sob stories. Your clients' personal and financial problems are not yours to bear. We're very nice people, we're very service-based people, but your clients' obligations, your clients' debts, your clients' bills, and your clients' burdens do not have to be taken on by you. You are your own individual business. You need to require a party deposit and do not do any work, even if somebody promises you that they are going to book with you, or promises you that they get paid next week, or promises you that they will get back to you if you could just start on it right away. Promises don't pay the bills. Number four, require a signed contract as well as a party deposit to book your party date or your services. A contract and a party deposit. Now, what I will do is I will accept a party deposit to reserve a date, but the contract needs to be returned to retain my services. So it's nice if you can just get those things done together and get it out of the way. When you take your deposit, they sign their contract, then your date is booked and your services with me as your event planner are booked. No exceptions. Say it again, guys.
No exceptions.
Now, how can you guys accept party deposits? You guys can take cash, check, card. Check is not my preferred method because I do not feel that you are actually paid when you get a check. I have received a piece of paper. If the money is not in my account, then you have not paid for your services. So I do not accept check, but that is up to you guys, what you guys want to do. I know a lot of people also accept Cash App. I've never used that, but my preferred method of payment is card. Because cash, how are you going to get that to me? I'm not going to come to you to pick up my cash. I need my money in my bank account to reserve the services, so I always use credit card, Venmo or Zelle or PayPal. So I hope you guys learned a lot and got a kick out of my epic fail this week, and I hope that it taught you that you do not need to feel sorry for upholding your business policies, and don't feel bad, don't feel guilty. Make sure you stand firm in what it is that you offer and what it is that you can do for people, because at the bottom line, this is a business and you guys need to treat it as such. If you guys need more help with your business, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out my Etsy shop. I have just added to my shop a PDF download that you can edit to suit your business so that you can send out your party quotes in a professional manner. And leave a comment down below about your epic fail, whether you're a beginner or whether you're advanced, so we can all not feel so alone in this community and know that we're all making mistakes and that we're all learning. So hashtag your epic event planner fail below in the comments, and I'll see you in another video.